Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. And also welcome back to another best out of waste episode where I'm going to use peanuts. Yes, you heard that right. Peanuts, which we call as moongfali in Hindi. So basically we are going to use the cover of it, and that is our main thing basically for the craft that I'm going to make today, for which I need of course peanuts, fevicol, cardboard or any delivery box or any hard sheet, satin ribbon or twine, any kind of paints, brushes, and then our common stationery like compass, scissors, and any type of tape. Also, do let me know in comments whether you like boiled peanuts to eat or fried or roasted peanuts. You guys might have already watched the first video of peanut cover craft, which I just posted 1 to 2 days ago. If you still haven't watched it, please do go back to my channel and watch it again. And this is the second home decor of the same peanut covers. Here again the process is very simple. I have taken an A4 size paper. You can take any color paper as well. Because I didn't have a color paper, I took an A4 size paper, and then as you can see in this video, I started pasting the peanut covers. Like, you can also paste it the outer side or the inner side. That is completely it's completely your wish. And I basically wanted to make kind of a flower type or a stem type, so that is what I have made. Something which makes sense or actually doesn't make sense, it's completely fine, just I wanted it to look good. So yes, I think do let me know in the comment section. Do watch the video firstly until the end, and then let me know in the comment section whether you have liked this type of craft or not. And yes, here then I have started pasting the peanut covers, outer covers, both the sides. And once everything was pasted on the A4 size sheet, I started painting the covers and also the background, I mean the A4 size sheet, A4 size paper, and then I put it aside for some time to let it dry. And that's it. My peanut cover home decor, like, or a wall painting, or just like that to keep it in your portfolio, or simple best out of waste, or a time pass. Like, if you are bored, you should definitely try this craft. But this is, yes, ready. And at the end you can see I have shown both my crafts, which is out of the peanut cover. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.